In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to add and update a superfund in Xero. 5 minutes. We'll start right inside Xero, sign into your organization as you normally would, then open the payroll menu from the main navigation. From there, head into payroll settings. This is where all your payroll configuration lives, and it's the right place to set up super so it flows correctly into pay runs. In payroll settings, select superannuation. You'll see any existing funds already listed. To add a new one, click Add Superannuation Fund. Xero lets you set up either a regulated fund or a self-managed super fund. For a regulated fund, use the search to find it by fund name, USI, or ABN. This helps prevent typos and ensures the fund is SuperStream enabled. For a self-managed super fund, you'll need the fund's ABN, the bank account details for contributions, and the electronic service address. If you're unsure, confirm these details with the fund or the employee before proceeding. Once the fields are complete, click Add to save the fund to your organization. With the fund created, the next step is to assign it to the relevant employee. Go back to the payroll menu and choose Employees, then open the employee's record. In their profile, go to the Employment tab and scroll to the Superannuation Membership section. Click Add a Superannuation Membership, then select the new fund you just created from the list. Enter the employee's member number exactly as provided by the fund. Accuracy here is essential because it's what the fund uses to match contributions to the correct account. When you're done, click Add to attach the membership to the employee. Finally, update the employee's pay template so future pay runs use the new fund automatically. Open the Pay Template tab, find the existing super line, click it, change the fund to the new one, confirm with OK, and then save. This ensures contributions in upcoming pay runs route to the right fund without any manual adjustments. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you can't find a regulated fund in the search, double-check the USI or ABN with the fund's official documentation. For SMSFers, make sure the electronic service address is current to avoid rejected contributions. After updating the pay template, review your next draft pay run to confirm the super fund shows correctly on the employee's line. And if you use Auto Super in Xero, these changes will carry through to your scheduled lodgements. That's it. Your new super fund is added, assigned, and ready for the next payroll.